Good morning, Bubs. Look at those ears. Look at those ears touching.
Stay easy. Easy. Sit and stay. Sit. Okay. Good, easy.
Oh, he's confused for the airbag. What's that?
Bubs?
Mr. Bubs. Get it, buddy. Get it. Yeah, no boy. He just wants my hand. He's just throwing my hand.
Time for breakfast. I have a giant burger patty, but I also have a giant egg, and it covers the burger patty.
Good boy. Good boy. Ooh.
He's like bounding like a little goat.
He's so proud.
He's gonna fit right in with the goat. Okay, I am in the car. It is obviously all frosted over. I'm waiting for it to defrost a little bit. I have to run to Petco again. We went last night to get a few things for the new puppy, but I decided I needed a harness. I got a collar for him last night, but he is very resistant to walking with a leash at all. And so I think a harness is gonna be better, especially long-term for like leash training and stuff. So I was gonna go grab that, but I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you about the Perfect Keto New Year's sale that's going on right now. Healthy Habits sale. It's a little bit different than a lot of their other sales. The discounts are up to 40% off on a select group of things, and there's a lot of stuff that's on sale. If you go to their website, link down below, there's a little tab that says shop the sale, I think. If you click on that, you'll see everything that's on sale. And I wish that they had on there like the different percentages off of the different things, so it's easier to see like how much of a discount you're getting on each thing. But it just has the price, like the regular price and then the sale price. So you kind of have to figure out yourself what percentage of a discount that is. They also have some new bundles that I'm going to be talking about more in another video in the future. They're cool to look at. There's like the collagen bundle is the one that I picked, and it just has a bunch of different products that have their collagen in them. If you want to boost your collagen, there's like a starter bundle and a few different ones. And so it's kind of fun to look at like what they bundled together for the different things. They would make a great like gift to somebody who was just starting keto or something, and you wanted to get them like a beginner's keto bundle or something like that. But when I was playing with adding stuff to my cart this morning, I noticed that the prices of the things on sale were a better discount than the bundle discount, because you do get a discount when you buy it as a bundle. But with the sale that's going on right now, it's actually a better deal to just add each individual item to your cart rather than buy the bundle. Also, I noticed that there's no coupon code for the discounts. They're just the sale prices on the website. So you can actually add a coupon code. So you can stack the 20% Indigo Nili 20 coupon code on top of the discounts that are on the sale right now. So there were some good discounts before, but with the stacking, the 20% off with the coupon code, I think you can get some really, really good deals. So I will leave the link down below, and then also try the Indigo Nili 20 coupon code, see if you can stack that on top. So just wanted to pass on the sale info, and now I think my car is defrosted enough that I can head to Petco. So many options. I think this will do. So I'm home now, but before I head in the house, I thought I would go ahead and tell you the story of the new puppy's name. We had everyone submit their submissions and then vote, and had to have a discussion on it because the vote wasn't concrete. And so I'll tell you the submissions. First off, my husband has wanted to name a dog, a male dog, Heavy Bubbles for several years now. It comes from a video, a funny video from YouTube, and I will link that up in the cards if you're curious about that. But so Heavy Bubbles, but Hey Bub or Bubby or Bubba for short. My submissions were first Mush, because he is 1/4 husky. Thought that was cute. He could be Mushroom, but we call him Mush for short. He could also be our little Squatter Mush on our Squatternush farm. So that was a fun one. And then my other submission was Radar, because his ears are so funny. They when he's like sniffing around and looking at stuff, they go up so high that they overlap, basically. They touch, and so his ears are just, they're so funny. Anyways, we thought like Satellite, Radar, Signal, but Radar was kind of cute. So Radar on the list. Renee had her heart set on naming the dog Eustace from the Chronicles of Narnia. That got vetoed pretty fast for a lot of reasons. And let's see. So, Levi wanted to name the dog Race Car, which, you know, we gave a fair shot. So I think that was all the names. I think those were the, you know, the main contenders. Heavy Bubbles, Mush, Radar, Eustace, and Race Car. And in the end, Heavy Bubbles won out. So my husband is getting his, not lifelong wish, but many years long wish of naming a dog Heavy Bubbles. We're not going to be, you know, going out and yelling, Heavy Bubbles, come, Heavy Bubbles, come. It'll be more like, hey, Bub, or Bubby, or Bubs. I think I'll probably call him Bubs. So that is it. The dog is Bubbles, Heavy Bubbles, Bubba, Bubberton, Bubasaurus Rex, Bubmeister. Anything that starts with Bub.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Fine. Go get it.
Oh. He started bounding like he was going to chase it too.
Good girl, Lizzie. Yeah. We still love you. You ready?
She's going around in a circle because you were.
Oh my goodness.
You have to swim for it to get it back? Bubs. Hey, Bub. Hey, Bub. Hey, Bub. Look. Hey, look. Look. Oh, what are those, Bub? They're going to headbutt him. Oh, they're like, what's this?
No, he's a natural herder. Oh man, I am so tired. I did not sleep very well last night for a few reasons. Partly because of a new puppy. And then I was up at like 5:45 because I heard the puppy whining. My husband actually had it all taken care of because he's amazing like that. But I still heard the dog and I was like, I gotta get up and take the dog out. But then I was up and so I didn't go back to bed. So anyways, it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm like, I'm ready for bed. So I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. We're just going to have a quiet evening, continuing the process of potty and naps and play with the puppy, with Heavy Bubbles, Bub. And I will be back again in another video. Don't forget to go check out the Perfect Keto sale right now. Don't forget to stack the coupon code on top of the sale prices. Oh my gosh, such good deals. So that is it for me. Hope you guys are all doing great and hope you're having a happy new year so far. And I'll see you again in the next video. Oh, and if you're wondering who's peeking at us right here, that's my niece.